What's up guys, this is Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV-MC. Today I'm going to show you my new favorite tire changing tool, the Baja No Pinch tool. Everybody knows changing tires is a hassle, and especially trying to get the last little bit of the bead on the tire over the edge of the rim. A lot of times that's where people either scratch up their rim or they pinch the tube, and that's what's so convenient about this no pinch tool. Not only does it make the entire process easy, but especially that last little bit, you have a ton of leverage, so it's easy to pop the bead over, and this doesn't actually stick down inside the rim, so you're not going to pinch the tube. But just like any tool, it requires the right technique. So let me show you a few things on how to use this tool. We've already removed our old tire from this rim and we want to install the new one. That's what this Baja No Pinch tool is designed to do. It does not remove the old tire. If you need to know how to change a tire, there's about a million different ways to do it, but we have a how-to video just on that. So it may be helpful to go and watch that. But this video, we're just focusing on the Baja No Pinch tool. So we're going to show you how to use it. What we're going to do is install our axle adapter, set the tool down, and then you want to adjust your lever range. So right there. Once that's adjusted, I'm going to slide the tire under the bead lock, press it on as far as I can just by hand, and then this tool is going to take care of the rest. We're just going to take a few bites on each side, moving from one side to the other. So once you've done that, all you got to do is put that tube in, and then we'll work the top on. With our tube in place, we'll start at the rim lock and just work our way all the way around. For some added help, you can use a bead holding tool, but really you don't need to use any extra tools. And the key with any tire change, you want to make sure that this bead is down in the center of that dish. There's that last little bit that everybody hates. This thing's going to push it right on. So you can get the Baja No Pinch tool in a few different varieties. This one is the ultimate kit. So if you're working on multiple bikes, this would be the kit to get. It comes with several different axle size adapters. Your standard kit is going to come with this blue one. This is going to fit 20 to 23 millimeter axles. And then this kit goes from 16 millimeters all the way up to 28 millimeters. And then we also have a mini bike kit. This is going to cover your 10 and 12 millimeter axles. And that is why the Baja No Pinch tool is my favorite tire changing tool right now. Just makes the job so much easier. It's a lot quicker, and I don't have to worry about pinching a tube. You can pick this up on our website. We also have that other tire changing video I was telling you about, and that's going to help show you some technique if you're not familiar with that process already. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.